Yeah, I think it's a great initiative as called, because this is been their annual event where they encourage the kids from various orphanages. Today I got an opportunity to meet 50 girls from one orphanage and 23 boys from another orphanage. And what was really pleasing to see is that SCOL is not only conducting this event but also supporting them. And since last 5 to 6 years they have supported the education and all the requirements a kid needs in day-to-day activities, and because of that support the kid can achieve his or her dream. I think I believe that everyone should have an equal opportunity to live their life king size, and it should not be only to a few selected children. So I think it's great that such initiatives are being taken place and also being recognized. Because ultimately we want everyone to lead a happy life and an opportunity to achieve their dreams. So I congratulate SCOL for their effort. Yeah, it's a brilliant program, and that's what is important, because when you achieve your dreams, it's also important to give it back to the society. So SCOL is a very well-established organization, and they have done a lot of business. As they mentioned that it's about tourism, it's about fulfilling the dreams of a lot of people who want to go and explore the world. And it's also giving that opportunity to fulfill the dreams of the underprivileged kids who probably cannot afford to explore the world. But it's a great opportunity for the underprivileged kids to realize their dreams, and at least an opportunity to explore what they want to achieve in their lives.